Hello my lovely kids, this is your mentor Neetu. We are doing Olympiad Maths class 7 by Galaxy publication. So now let us start chapter 2, fractions. We have studied about fractions in earlier classes. We come across their application in our daily life. So we can define a fraction as a part of the whole or collection. For example, 1 hour consists of 60 minutes. So 1 minute is a fraction of an hour, and 1 minute represented as a fraction 1 by 60 of an hour. So a fraction consists of two parts, numerator and denominator. Like here, 2 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator. The upper one is numerator and the lower number is denominator. Now we are talking about various types of fractions. A fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator, that is a proper fraction. Like here, 2 by 9, 1 by 8, these are proper fraction. Now a fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator, that is an improper fraction, like 3 by 2, 6 by 4, 15 by 11. These are improper fraction. Now an improper fraction can be converted into a mixed fraction and vice versa. Like 3 by 2 hai, we can write 1 whole 1 by 2. 9 by 5 means divide 9 by 5. We will get 5 ones are 5. So 1 as quotient, 4 as remainder. So 1 whole 4 upon 5. Similarly 15 by 11, 1 whole 4 by 11. So these are mixed fractions. Okay. Now proper fractions having 1 as numerator are called unit fractions, like 1 upon 3, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 5. These are unit fractions. Okay. The next, fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions, and fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. जब denominator same हो जाएगा, then we are getting like fraction, like 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 6 by 5. And if denominators are different, then we get unlike fraction. Okay. Now unlike fractions can be converted into like fraction by taking LCM of their denominators. अगर हमारे पास unlike fractions हैं तो उनको हम like fractions में change कर सकते हैं. कैसे? उनके denominators का LCM लेकर. Right? Now we have already done the basic operations of addition and subtraction of fractions in the previous class. Now we shall study multiplication and division of fractions. So see here, multiplication of fractions. Fractions multiplied by a whole number. We know that multiplication is repeated addition. Using this fact, let us consider the multiplication fact. Say 3 multiplied by 1 upon 4. It means consider 3 steps, first, second and third, like this. First, second and third. Each of these strips is divided into 4 parts, out of which 1 part is shaded. हमने क्या किया? फर्स्ट, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड 3 स्ट्रिप्स ली और उनको 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया एंड टेक 1 शेडेड इन ईच स्ट्रिप. राइट. नाउ व्हेन दीज स्ट्रिप्स आर कंबाइंड, अगर हम इन सबको कंबाइन कर दें, द शेडेड पार्ट्स टुगेदर फॉर्म 3 आउट ऑफ 4 पार्ट्स. तो हमारे पास ये आ जाएगा फोर्थ वन. ओके. आउट ऑफ 4, 3 आर shaded. Right. So to multiply a mixed fraction by a whole number, we first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and then multiply. This is one fact for you. Okay. Let's see. Now here what we are getting, 3 by 4. So this represents 3 by 4, or we can write 1 by 4 into 3, that is also 3 by 4. So this gives us the following rule to multiply a fraction by a whole number. Fraction into whole number means numerator of the fraction into whole number divided by denominator of the fraction. After this, simplify and reduce the product to its lowest form. If the product is an improper fraction, change it into a mixed fraction. See some examples like a part here 4 by 7 into 8. So 4 into 8 upon 7, 32 by 7. We are getting an improper fraction. So change into mixed fraction. Now b part 2 whole 5 by 8 into 3. First change into improper fraction. 8 2s are 16 plus 5. 21 upon 8 into 3. So that is 21 into 3 upon 8. तो मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. अगेन वी आर गेटिंग एन इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. चेंज इनटू मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. नाउ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ अ फ्रैक्शन बाय अ फ्रैक्शन. Let us consider an example 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. To understand the multiplication of two fractions, a part, to make 1 by 4 of a whole, divide the whole into 4 equal parts. हमने एक सर्कल लिया है, उसके टोटल 4 parts and then 1 is shaded. This represents 1 by 4. Okay. Now here B part. Now we have to find out half of 1 by 4. That is to divide 1 by 4 into 2 equal halves. यानी 1 by 4 को हमने 2 halves में divide कर दिया. So dark shaded part in the figure. Okay. So this represents 1 by 2 of 1 by 4 means 1 upon 8. यानी this one total 8 part में 1 is shaded 1 by 8. Right. So C part, when we calculate with the help of figure 3, we find that 1 by 2 of 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 8. So this gives us the following rule to multiply a fraction by another fraction. So product of two fractions means product of their numerators divided by product of their denominators. Example like a part 2 whole 3 by 5 into 1 by 4, change into an improper fraction. 13 by 5 into 1 by 4. 13 into 1 upon 5 into 4. Answer is 13 upon 20. Similarly like this one, 1 upon 6 into 1 whole 3 by 5 means 1 upon 6 into 8 upon 5. So 8 upon 30 we can change into lowest form 4 upon 15. Now multiplication of 3 or more fractions. To find out the product of 3 or more fractions, proceed as follow. The first one, first multiply the two fractions and then multiply their product by the third fraction. Very simple. Like here 2 by 3 into 9 upon 16 into 1 upon 5. तो इन दोनों को हम first multiply कर दें. 2 by 3 into 9 upon 16 into 1 by 5. So what we are getting 18 upon 48. into 1 upon 5. अब इन दोनों को multiply कर दें. So answer is 3 upon 40. Okay. Now the second one, multiply the numerators of all fraction and the denominators of all fraction. So product of fraction we can do by this way. Product of their numerators divided by product of their denominators. See 2 by 3 into 9 by 16 into 1 by 5. So 2 into 9 into 1 numerator. 3 into 16 into 5 denominator. फिर हम इसको simplify कर देंगे. Right. Now fraction as an operator of. Let 1 be represented as shown in figure first. Okay. Divide it into 3 equal parts. हमने इसको divide कर दिया 3 equal parts में. Now 1 upon 3 will be represented by the shaded part as shown in figure 2. So this represents 1 out of 3. Now divide figure 2 horizontally into 2 parts. अब इसको हमने ऐसे divide कर दिया. Right. Now what will you get? 1 by 2 of 1 by 3 will be represented by the dark shaded portion as shown in this figure, which is clearly equal to what we are getting, 1 upon 6, 1 out of 6, right? So we can conclude 1 by 2 of 1 by 3 means 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 3 means 1 upon 6. So we see that of represents multiplication only. So now see example A part 1 by 2 of 3 by 7. So 1 into 3 upon 2 into 7, 3 by 14. B part 2 by 5 of 25. So 2 by 5 into 25 upon 1. हम 5 से cancel भी कर सकते हैं 25 को. So answer is 10. Now next we are talking about reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of a fraction. So reciprocal of a fraction is obtained by interchanging its numerator and denominator. When the product of two fractions equals to 1, the fractions are said to be reciprocal of each other. Every non-zero fraction has a reciprocal. For example, the reciprocal of 4 by 5 is 5 upon 4. जब हम इन दोनों को multiply करेंगे, answer would be 1. Similarly, reciprocal of 5 is 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 9 is 9. Okay, so we observe that 4 by 5 into 5 by 4 is 1 and 5 into 1 by 5, that is also 1, and 1 upon 9 into 9, that is also 1. So in each case the product of a fraction with its reciprocal is always 1. Hence if the product of two fractions is 1, then either of them is called the reciprocal of the other. Okay, now we have some properties of reciprocals. The first one, reciprocal of 0 does not exist. The second, reciprocal of 1 is 1 only. And third, if a number is greater than 1, then its reciprocal is less than 1. And if the number is less than 1, then its reciprocal is greater than 1. Okay, now see example 1. Find the reciprocal of each of the following, like A part 4 by 3, its reciprocal is 3 by 4. B part 18, reciprocal is 1 by 18. C part 4 by 13, its reciprocal is 13 by 4. And now D part 1 whole 1 by 9. तो पहले से हम convert करेंगे, it becomes 10 upon 9. So its reciprocal is 9 upon 10. Okay. Now example 2, the cost of 1 meter of cloth is rupees 12.5. Find the cost of 5 whole 3 by 4 meter of cloth. So write cost of 1 meter cloth is rupees 12.5. It means 25 by 2. So cost of this much, it would be more. तो multiply कर देंगे 25 by 2 multiply by this fraction. Convert into improper fraction. We will get 25 by 2 into 23 by 4. इन दोनों को multiply करेंगे. We are getting this one 71 whole 7 by 8. Okay. Now the next is example 3. A man walks 8 whole 1 by 2 kilometer in a day. How much distance will he cover in a week? So 1 day distance covered 17 by 2 kilometer. 1 week means 7 days. तो 7 days में distance ज़्यादा cover होगी, ज़्यादा के लिए हम multiply करेंगे. So distance covered by the man in 7 days, 17 upon 2 into 7, दोनों को multiply कर देंगे. So answer is 59 whole 1 by 2 kilometer. Example 4, find the perimeter of a square whose each side is 7 whole 5 by 4 meter. We know perimeter of square is 4 into side. So 4 into side, change into improper fraction. We are getting 4 into 33 by 4. 4 cancel. Answer is 33 meter because side is in meter. So perimeter is also in meter. Okay. Now see exercise 1 based on such type of example. See question number 1. Find the product of the following, like B part 4 whole 3 by 4 into 2. So what will you get? 19 upon 4 into 2. So 2 से cut कर दे 4 को. So 19 upon 2 means 9 whole 1 by 2. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now question number 2, find the value of the following, means simplify करना है. Like here E part 7 whole 1 by 9 into 3 whole 2 by 16. So convert कर दे improper में. So 64 upon 9 into 16 into 3 is 48 plus 2, 50 upon 16. So 16 से 64 we can cancel और हम और कुछ भी cancel नहीं कर सकते हैं. So what we are getting? 200 upon 9 and convert into mixed fraction. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the third one, find the reciprocal of the following. So like here C part 1 upon 19 है, so its reciprocal is 19. Like E part 3 whole 9 by 7, तो आपके पास क्या आएगा 7 3s are 21 plus 9, 30 by 7. Its reciprocal is 7 upon 30. Okay, similarly you can try remaining parts. Now the fourth question, filling the blanks, like B part, 8 into dash equal to 1. यानी 8 का reciprocal 1 upon 8. Okay, that would be 1. अब ऐसे ही 5 whole 1 by 3 into dash equal to 1. So this is what? This is 16 upon 3. Its reciprocal is 3 upon 16. So answer would be 1. Okay. Now the next fifth question you can try on your own. Like here now, eighth question, a scooter runs 32 km in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 3 whole 3 by 4 liters of petrol? तो हमें distance find करना है, तो distance हम लिखेंगे right hand side पर. So in 1 liter petrol, distance covered is 32 kilometer. और इतने पेट्रोल में डिस्टेंस ज़्यादा कवर होगी, मीन्स इन 15 by 4 लीटर ऑफ पेट्रोल डिस्टेंस कितनी होगी? 32 into 15 by 4. Cut it by 4. 15 into 8, that is 120 kilometer, right? So similarly you can try remaining questions. Now the next we are talking about division of fractions. Division of a fraction by a whole number. We have studied the division of whole numbers and natural numbers. Division means how many times one number can be found in a second number. In other words, it is repeated subtraction. Let us consider one example. How much is 1 by 6 divided by 3? So, first take total 6 parts, equal parts and 1 shaded. So this represents 1 by 6, right? Now 1 by 6 divided by 3. So 1 by 6 part को हम 3 equal parts में divide कर देंगे. So what we are getting? We are getting total 18. So 1 out of 18. This one dark shaded, right? So from figure 3rd, 1 by 6 divided by 3 means 1 by 6 into 1 by 3, that is 1 by 18. So therefore dividing 1 by 6 by 3 is the same as multiply 1 by 6 by 1 by 3. यानी division को हम change कर देंगे multiply में, और जो second number जिससे हम divide कर रहे हैं उसका हम ले लेंगे reciprocal, right? So fraction divided by a whole number means fraction into reciprocal of the whole number. So we can conclude, to divide a fraction by a whole number, we multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. So now example 5, divide a part 5 by 7 divided by 4. So 5 by 7 into 1 by 4. So there is no cancellation. So answer is 5 upon 28. Now take B part, 3 whole 4 by 5 divided by 19. Convert into improper fraction. We are getting 19 upon 5 divided by 19. So 19 upon 5 into 1 by 19. So answer is 1 by 5. Now C part, 1 whole 3 by 5 divided by 5 means 8 upon 5 divided by 5. So 8 upon 5 into 1 by 5, answer is 8 upon 25. Now division of a fraction by a fraction. In order to divide a fraction by another fraction, we multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the other fraction. See example 6, divide a part 5 by 9 divided by 2 by 9. डिवीज़न को हम कर देंगे मल्टीप्लाई में चेंज, और सेकेंड यानी डिवाइजर का हम ले लेंगे रेसिप्रोकल 9 upon 2. 9 9 cancel, answer is 5 by 2 means 2 whole 1 by 2. Now B part, 3 whole 8 by 7 divided by 13 by 14. So convert into improper fraction, 29 by 7 divided by 13 by 14. So division को change कर देंगे multiply means 14 upon 13. Cut the number, so answer is 58 upon 13. Convert into mixed fraction. Okay, now here C part, 1 whole 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. So 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. So change division into multiplication, 3 by 2 into 4 by 3. So answer is 2 only, right? I hope this is clear to you. The next we are talking about division of a whole number by a fraction. In order to divide a whole number by a fraction, we multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. So whole number divided by fraction equals to whole number multiplied by reciprocal of the fraction. See example 7. Divide A part, 7 divided by 3 by 4. So 7 into 4 by 3, 28 upon 3 means 9 whole 1 by 3. Now B part, 20 divided by 8 upon 11. So 20 into 11 by 8, cut it by 4. So answer is 27 whole 1 by 2. Now C part, 42 divided by 5 by 14. So 42 into 14 by 5. So now we are not able to cancel any number. So answer is this one. Okay. Now example 8. The product of two fractions is 8 upon 3. If one of them is 14 upon 9, then what is the other fraction? So it is given product of two fractions 8 upon 3. One is 14 by 9. So how we can find the other fraction? Product divided by one fraction. So 8 upon 3 divided by 14 upon 9. So 8 upon 3 into 9 by 14. Cut the number. So answer is 12 by 7 means 1 whole 5 by 7. Now example 9. Preeti cuts a 21 meter long rope into pieces of 3.5 length each. How many pieces of the rope did she get? So length of the rope is 21 meter and length of one piece is 3.5 meter. So number of pieces, total length divided by length of one piece. So 21 divided by 3.5. So 21 divided by 7 by 2. So 21 into 2 by 7. Cut कर देंगे 7 से. That is 6. So 6 pieces, right? Now example 10. Rahul cuts 20 meter long rope into pieces of length 3 whole 1 by 3 meter each. So how many pieces of rope did he get? The same way, total length divided by length of one piece. So 20 divided by 3 whole 1 by 3. 20 divided by 10 by 3. So 20 into 3 by 10. So 10 2s are 20. 2 into. So answer is 6. Now example 11. Ravi purchased 7.5 kg sugar for this rupees. Find the cost of 1 kg sugar. तो 1 kg sugar की cost कम होगी. So what to do? Cost of 7.5 kg sugar is rupees this much. Okay. So first convert into improper fraction. So cost of 1 kg sugar 195 upon 4 divided by 15 by 2 means 195 by 4 into 2 by 15. Cut the numbers. Answer is 6.5 rupees. Okay. Now exercise 2 based on this type of example. See question number 1. Divide the following like G part 42 divided by 7 upon 12. So 42 into 12 by 7. 7 6 are. So 6 into 12. Answer is 72, right? Now question number 2. Divide the following like here E part 33 by 35. Multiply, take its reciprocal. This is what? This is 11 upon 7. So this becomes 7 upon 11. So 7 5s are, 11 3s are. So answer is 3 upon 5. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now question number 3. Simplify the following like here B part 6 upon 7 into 5 by 9 divided by 15 upon 17. So according to rule, first we have to simplify division. So change division into multiplication. So 17 upon 15. So 5 3s are, then 3 2s are. Now you can simplify this. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now you can simplify this. I hope this is clear to you. Now here see like fifth question, the product of two numbers is given and one number is 14 upon 27. find the other. So how we can find the other number? So product 28 upon 81 divided by 14 upon 27. So 28 upon 81 into 27 upon 14. 14 twos are, now cut it by 3. Okay, so answer is 2 by 3, right? The 10th question, Vinita has rupees 52. She wants to buy chocolates with the money. If the price of one chocolate is rupees 5 whole 1 by 5, then how many chocolates can she buy? So total money 52 divided by price of one chocolate, that is 5 whole 1 by 5, means 52 divided by 26 upon 5. So 52 into 5 upon 26. So answer is 10. She can buy 10 chocolates, right? So I hope this is clear to you. You can try remaining parts. Now this is the time of mental maths. Question number 1. Filling the blanks like C part, reciprocal of 3 whole 2 by 3 is. So what is this fraction? This is 11 upon 3. 3 into 3, 9 plus 2, 11 upon 3. Its reciprocal is 3 upon 11. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now question number 2, write T for true and F for false. Like B part, product of A upon B and C upon D is AD upon BC. No, this is false. Product is AC upon BD. So this statement is false. Okay. So you can try remaining parts. Now this is the time of maths lab activity. Now title, concept of equivalent fractions, objective. After performing this activity, the students will be able to understand the concept of equivalent fractions experimentally. So prerequisite knowledge, concept of fraction and material required, glazed paper, white chart sheet, geometry box, color, sketch pen, scissor and Fevicol. So here like this you can try this activity. I hope you will enjoy it. This is clear to you. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day and take care.